In tech news, SDET Training on 75% discount all over the world. While master's and PhD holders struggling to find jobs as software development engineer in test, SDET makes $85,000 to $200,000 per year. Is it tough? No, it's easy. No programming knowledge necessary. If you can read, write, and communicate in English, you are good to join. SDET is the most sought IT professionals in the IT industry. Even an SDET can work remotely from anywhere in the world as a freelancer and can make $25 to $75 per hour. You will learn software testing, agile framework, Selenium with Java or Python, TestNG, BDD Cucumber, page object modeling, PyTest, BDD Behave, robot framework, Postman, rest assured, Git, GitHub, Maven, Jenkins, SQL, Jira, and many cutting-edge technologies. Anyone can join from anywhere in the world on Skype or WebEx. Interested persons can contact at wecode, wetest@gmail.com.